Hey y'all, I told you I was going to be cooking us up some zucchini and squash, which zucchini and the yellow squash is both squash, but I'm going to be cooking up zucchini and yellow squash cakes. So I've got a little olive oil in my pan, I've got a stick of butter. All right, and over here in my bowl, I have grated up 3 medium zucchinis and 3 medium yellow summer squash. Now, I want to make sure that there's no water in this, so I'm going to pour it in my colander, and I'm just going to squeeze it with some paper towels. Just try to absorb that water out of there and just kind of pull it out. Now, we're going to have some things in our squash cakes that's going to help bind them and hold them together. So, in this bowl, I'm going to add 1 egg, 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of diced Vidalia onions, and 1½ teaspoons of Italian seasoning. All right, I'm just gonna mix that up together. Can y'all hear Lady Bird? She knows it's happy hour. I'm gonna fix her a plate though in a little while. I'm gonna take her one of those sweet and sour meatballs and one of these zucchini and squash cakes, and she's gonna be one happy little bird. All right, I'm gonna add a little fresh ground pepper to it. You know, and depends on how much you like. Want it hotter, add a little bit more. And I'm gonna add, oh gosh, probably a ½ teaspoon of salt. All right, now to this, I'm gonna add 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna mix these ingredients together. I've got all those crumbs good and moist. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna take my shredded zucchini and I'm just gonna dump it into my breadcrumb mixture. And now I'm gonna make about a 2-inch patty. You know, I don't want them real big. I want them, you know, just so people can pick them up. To grate your squashes, you don't wanna put this in a blender. You can take just a regular stand grater and have these grated up in no time flat. And you don't even have to peel them now. Leave that peeling on because the peeling has a lot of vitamins and nutrients in it. But aren't these looking good? All right. Now we're gonna cook these for about 3 minutes on each side, not very long at all. All right, let's see if we can, doesn't that look good? You see it? Look at that. Now these are just our appetizers tonight, but these would be wonderful with like barbecued chicken or with a steak. They would be wonderful with a piece of grilled fish. Whoa. Oh, gosh. Those look delicious. Now, over here, I've got my platter ready for our squash and zucchini cakes, and I'm serving along with it tonight jarred marinara sauce. I think these are about ready to, come up. I'm gonna just drain them for a second. Ooh, these are hot. Whoa. Don't those look delicious? Hot as fire, but delicious. I don't want to burn my mouth. It's yummy. Ladybird's gonna love it, and I think y'all will too.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.